Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to solve one problem. In the last problem, based on the shifting, scaling, and all these things, shifting, scaling, in the works. Okay. This is the question number 4. Okay. Now see, x of n is given by 1 minus summation k equals from k limits k equals to 3 to infinity. Okay. Del of n minus 1 minus 2. Okay now, so let us first see this one. Let's solve this one. Put k equals to l in this. What we will get? L of n minus 1 minus 3, that is nothing but del of n minus 4. Okay, similarly put k equals to 3, k equals to 4, we will get del of n minus 5 and so on. Okay, now that means we will get summation is there, so it is like this: del of n minus 4 plus del of n minus 5 plus del of l minus 6, and this is so on until infinity. Now del of n minus infinity like this. Okay, no problem. Now it is 1. It is like this form: x of n equals to u of n minus n naught. Okay, we can just, and you know that u of n is what? From 0, 1, 2, 3 and infinity. This value is 1 only. Okay, but for 1, whole is 1. From 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, every value is 1. And for this one is what? This one is shifted value minus shifted value. Okay, now shifted value from 4. Okay, from 4, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, like they are only 1. So if we subtract this, it is also continuously, it is also continuously. So what we will get till 4 it will be cancelled out till 4. This cancel out by this one, so we will get from this minus 3 is continuously from up to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and 3. This is our answer. Okay, and we have to actually, and this is the given question and it is in this form, so we have to find the value of m and okay, and now we have to find this value and this value. Okay, no problem. Now it is x of n, so it is, you know that this is un, and for okay, x of n equals to, can we write? Correct. The value of this one is in form x of n equals to u of minus n minus 3. Why? Because for minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Okay, here for u of minus n. So this is for u of minus n, this is for u of minus n, this is for plus n. We have just subtract, if we have subtracted un minus u of minus, so then it is like this. So we can write here. You can also write here minus 1 y person and minus 3 as minus 1 plus 3, where n is minus 1 and not is 3. We'll explain this. Let's see again. Hey guys, let's see with this one thing, that you know that this is un. For un it is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. This value is only 1. If we do reversal also, you have found, then it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. to 1, okay, for u of minus n. And for reversal, we can write this one as shift. If we shift this side as u of 3, that means minus 3 side. By 3. This continuously actually. And you convert this like this. Minus 3, continue minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, okay. Same amplitude. This continuous, okay. You can write here it is like in this one. या हम ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं कि पहले n+3 शिफ्ट करते हैं, n+3 शिफ्ट करेंगे मतलब n equals to -3 negative, so it is shifting this side, this shifted this side, unit step function is shifted 3 units left side, that means 0 to 1, 0 will comes to 1, 1 comes to 2 and 2 comes to 3, so 1 unit, 2 unit, 3, so from 3 -3 -2 -1 0 1, so in this fashion. Now reverse it means n is replaced by -n, so it is will be 32 1 0 -1 -2 -3 -4 like this, okay. So if we convert this one, it is like this. So here value of m is -1 and n naught is 3. So I would like to add one point in this, very important point. See one point, it's very important. कि अगर कभी भी whenever x of 80 और x of n रहेगा and e is greater than 1, then there will be compression, okay, compression of signal when n is greater than 1 during decimations. अगर इस तरह का रहेगा 0 से 1 के बीच में, 0.7 0.5 0.4 इस तरह, तो ये रहेगा, तो ये हो जाएगा एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सिग्नल, कंप्रेशन मतलब कंप्रेस्ड कर जाएगा, एक्सपेंशन और एक्सपेंड आउटसाइड, या फिर बोलेंगे 0, इसको बोलेंगे इंटरपोलेशन, ओके। अगर कहीं पर शिफ्टिंग रहना टी नॉट टी माइनस टी नॉट या n माइनस n नॉट, तो टी नॉट n नॉट अगर ग्रेटर देन 0 है मीन्स पॉजिटिव है, तो राइट साइड शिफ्ट होगा, साइड शिफ्ट बाय t यूनिट्स और n यूनिट्स, ठीक ना। अगर कहीं पे दिया हुआ है x ऑफ, अच्छा अगर ये हमारा t नॉट और n नॉट इज लेस देन 0, दैट इज नेगेटिव, देन लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट बाय t units or n units, okay. Now if there is x minus t or x of n, then there will be folding of signal with respect to y-axis, okay. Today's lecture is over for basic operation and the problem which we already solved. In the next unit we will just go through the various problem along with the definition, introductions, definition and some problem based on the energy and power signal, okay. Thank you, goodbye.